Hey, what's up guys? In this video, I will show you the most useful Windows shortcuts that can save your time, make your work faster, help you look like a total pro on a computer. Let's start from the basics and move up to some advanced tricks that you might not know. To copy any text file or folder, use Ctrl C, and wherever you want to paste it, go to that folder or destination and use Ctrl V to paste it. It will copy the file from there and place it here. Now to cut something or move something, use Ctrl X. It will remove it from the current place and go to again the destination folder and paste it using Ctrl V. That's how you can copy, cut or paste. Okay, now to undo your last action, you can use Ctrl Z. That will bring back what you just did. Now to again redo the action what you have undone, use Ctrl Y and it will just redo it in another example. Now what you have wrote, if you want to undo that, you can use again Ctrl Z, it will undo it. Now again, if you want to redo the action what you have undone, use Ctrl Y, then it will redo it what you have just undone. Now to save a file, you can just use another shortcut which is Ctrl S, and it will ask you if you want to save it. And that's how you save a file. You can even save a web page with Ctrl S. Now let's make your multitasking smoother. Alt and Tab lets you quickly switch between open applications. You can hold Alt and Tab button until you land on the app you want. It's very helpful. You can also use Alt and F4. It will close your current window or app. Another shortcut is Windows plus D. It will minimize everything that shows on your desktop. You can press it again and it will bring all your windows back. There is another similar shortcut that is Windows plus M. It will also minimize all the windows, and if you want to bring them back, Windows Shift M, it will restore them. So both of them are the same. I personally use Windows D because Windows D is much easier to use. To minimize a single window, you have to use Alt space and N. To snap any windows in left, right, up or down, use Windows plus arrow keys. To rename a file, select it and press F2. You don't have to right click anymore. And to refresh a window or a web page, you can also use F5 to refresh it. Here are some that make navigating your PC lightning fast. Windows plus E opens File Explorer, your shortcut to quickly browse files. Windows plus I opens the Settings app. Windows plus S opens Windows Search. Type anything to find apps, files or settings. Windows R opens the Run dialog where you can launch apps or folders by typing commands like Notepad, CMD or Control. Windows plus X, it opens a hidden quick menu. From here you can access Device Manager, Disk Management or even Shutdown. Control plus Shift plus Escape directly opens Task Manager. Shift Delete. So if you use Shift Delete, it will permanently delete file. It will not be in the recycle bin. So be careful. Windows plus Print. It will directly take a screenshot of the whole window and it will save in your pictures screenshot. And Windows plus V opens your clipboard history, showing everything you have copied recently, so you can paste from older copies. Just make sure it's turned on in settings first. Windows plus Tab shows all open apps and desktops in task view. Control plus Windows plus D creates a new virtual desktop. It's great for separating work, study, or if you want to hide something. Control plus Windows plus left or right arrow switches between those desktops instantly. And Control plus Windows plus F4 closes the current virtual desktop. But don't worry, as you can see here, even if I close the current desktop, the apps that are open here will be switched to another virtual desktop. If your screen freezes or glitches, Windows Ctrl Shift B restores your driver. It fixes most display issues without restarting your PC. Windows Ctrl O opens the on-screen keyboard. It's useful for a short time if your keyboard isn't working. Windows plus period opens the emoji and symbol panel. Yes, even in Word or Notepad. Windows plus H activates the voice typing. Your PC types whatever you say, surprisingly accurate. But you need a microphone. And finally, Ctrl Shift T reopens the last closed tab in your browser. A lifesaver when you close something by accident. Bye.